Hey y'all, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 17. I'm pumped that you guys continue to show up every day. If you are brand new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Crystal and I'm a full-time reseller on sites like Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And that's how I pay my bills. I do it full-time. So I do reseller content on this channel. And that really consists of tips and tricks videos, haul videos, what sold videos, anything really that's related to reselling. So if you're interested in content like that and you're not already subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is absolutely free for you and it just lets YouTube know that you're enjoying your time here and that you like my videos, and that way they let you know when I upload a new one. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button, the little bell notification, and then if you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up on your way out. Okay, so today's video is just going to be a really short one, and it's just going to be a little helpful tip that I learned really early on in my reselling journey, and I've not seen a lot of people talk about it, so I figured I would show you guys what it is, and hopefully it's helpful to some of you. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I've switched the camera angle so that you guys can see more of this and less of my face. So sorry if that bothers you, but okay. So here's what we're gonna do. This is a priority flat envelope, a legal envelope. And a lot of times I see people putting their clothing items in padded flat rates, which is a step above this. It costs more money for the padded flat rate. I can't remember exactly what the rate is, but I'm gonna put them up here. But anyway, if you can fit something in this, it costs you, I think, like 20 cents less or whatever to put it in here. You can actually fit a lot more in here than what most people think. And I'm going to show you how to really like form this box without modifying it, because you're not allowed to modify priority flat rate boxes, but this is not considered modifying because you're not cutting it, you're not like, you know, adding things to it or anything. This is all the same envelope, just formed a little bit differently, okay? And I learned this really quickly on my reselling journey, and it was super helpful. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna lift it up like this, and you're gonna flatten the bottom part right here. And push right here, right in here on the corner, and you're gonna, this is your first step right here. So it looks like this, okay? And then you're gonna tape, take a small piece of tape, like this. You're going to tape this corner down. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Right here, just push in on this, and then fold the corner up. And add some tape. Right here. And that's it. So you've literally taken this from the envelope, so look at how much space you have inside now. It's like essentially like a box, and you can flatten out this part too if you like really want a box feel. You can flatten this all out, and you've got yourself this, and then just fold up. There you go. You've got yourself a box. And you can definitely fit jeans or sweaters or anything in this. This is a nice size for a flat rate. And that's really all today's video was about. I just wanted to show you guys how to do that if you don't already know. And again, this is not considered a modification because you've not added anything, you've not cut anything. This is all the same pieces that was here. You're just basically stretching the box out to fit what it needs to fit. So if it fits up here and you add something here, then that would be a modification. But if you can get this part to close down like that, then it's not considered a modification. So this is super helpful if you're sending something on eBay and you want to save a little bit of money on shipping. So anyway, I hope that was helpful, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.